Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a project share for In Love Art Shop. I received some dies from them and I will link the video where I show you the dies that I chose. And so we're making bag toppers today. And I went ahead and made a box, and so from that box was a negative from the window that I cut out from, and so this is what I used. I used that negative, and there it is right there. And so I decided to make bag toppers out of it. I did not want to waste this paper. You only get a few sheets in the collection, and so I wanted to make bag toppers. And so here is one of the die cuts that I'm using from In Love Art Shop right here. I love this little heart bow die. And so I decided to put it on the back topper in the background so you could kind of see it dangling from the bottom. In the end, you see that the glue kind of moved it to the side, and so it is kind of off center, but that's okay. I still think it came out cute. That's art for you. It's never perfect. And so I also used the die cut. It is an oval and it has like a circle border on it, and so I decided to use it on this back topper as a background just to give it some gold in the back. And I'm using the shaker that I made, and those hearts, those little confetti hearts, they're actually from, I believe, a cherry on top, and they are resin. They're very miniature, like a little mix of hearts, and I love them. I made these flags as well, and I added some dangles to them, and I decided to add it on this bag topper. Well, I was just fiddling a little here, trying to fit this bag topper kind of like in a diagonal. I think not the bag topper, but the flag. I think flags look better when they're kind of like at a diagonal. I think they just look really cute that way. And so I attempted to do that. So it is a little at a diagonal. And here is the cupcake die. I used it as a background as well. I'm just doing some layering here. In the back, you can see that I used some laminator sheets, and I had die cut them out of a rosette die, and so I just kept them. And I wish I would have used cardstock instead of the laminator sheets because it was not working for me. And so I made it work, but it was a hassle, and so I struggled a little. I don't show it on camera here, but this is the Sweet Talk collection, and I love it, you guys. It does have a lot of food ephemera, and I'm not sure about that. But you know how we do it. We layer and layer, and it all gets covered up, and eventually it looks nice in the end. Well, in my opinion. But I am getting ready for some swaps, and so I have several people. I am over here pulling all-nighters and trying to get my stuff done. So I'm killing two birds with one stone, like my husband likes to say, and trying to knock down my design team projects along with my swaps all together in one. So none of my swap partners will know who this is for, so that is a plus right there. So usually when you have one swap partner, you do not want to show anything. So here we are, and that is bag topper number 1. And I end up adding a miniature bow to this bag topper. You don't see it at all. You may see it in my Instagram because I do have to take pictures for this and load it up to my Instagram for my design team project. So here is bag topper number 2. And what I want to mention is that I didn't glue the bag topper onto the decorative bag because I wanted the recipient to take it off and remove it from the bag. So I just clipped it on with these Target clothespins, and I love them. I picked them up, I believe, last year, the year before. I can't even remember. Everything's kind of like merging together. I don't even know when, where, or what. See, I'm pointing out that those hearts are not centered, but it's okay. I like how the hearts are kind of like in the middle of the eyes. Um, I don't know. It just kind of looks neat like that. So let's see what I'm doing here. This is a voiceover, you guys. So I am trying to figure out, this part is covered on my phone, so I cannot see. Okay, it looks like I am gluing one of the die cuts from In Love Art and also the cake die cut from In Love Art Shop. And these dies did cut out fine. These ones I had no trouble. I did not have to run them through a second time. They're not as intricate as some of the other ones that I picked up. The other ones that are intricate, I can't speak, take a little longer. So I had to run it through multiple times. But eventually I was able to get it done. And so I decided to use this foam tape instead because I used the laminator sheet and it wasn't working. So I needed something sturdy. And so I added this foam. So I'm trying to figure out where to add that oval die. And I ended up adding it there and just gluing the top and bottom to the bag topper. I'm using my silicone die cuts here that I die cut out a while ago. Goodness, it is late, so I am a little bit sleepy and I always ramble and I'm always saying the wrong things, so I guess that's not I don't even know what I'm saying. See? I don't know what I'm saying. It's not an excuse. It's not an excuse, so adding some more foam. And removing the backing from the foam is so tedious. Oh, I'm adding a shaker here. Do you guys like making shakers? I do not like making shakers. They take so long to make. I love the look though. I think the look gives your project so much dimension and it looks so beautiful, you know. Anytime I see people using them, I think it's beautiful, so I'm adding it to my stuff. So I want to take this time. I am new to TikTok, so if you guys are on TikTok, go ahead and look me up. I'm the same, Buzzing with V, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So yeah, check me out. I do fast tutorials on there. Well, they're not tutorials because I don't talk, so it's mainly music. So I guess it would be process videos. I do lots of process TikToks. So please check me out if you're there and say hi. So if you can see, the cake die cut is on just I used it as a layer, so it's in the back, and I am gonna put the sentiment, the ephemera piece on top of that, along with I'm gonna cover the shaker. I know, covering the shaker, like what am I doing? But you have to, you guys, you have to do it. Otherwise it's not gonna look like multiple layered look. So you have to do it, have it peeking out. I'm even covering the coffee cup with this strawberry, adding some foam adhesive as well. And you need to do it. You just have to do it, you guys. If you don't do it, it's not gonna work. The layer look is not gonna work. So there I go, covering up the coffee cup. I'm adding a flag. I made 3 of these flags, and I have a process video on my TikTok account, so you can see how I do that, and also my shakers, how I do them too. I want to give a shout out to Natalie and Decor because she showed me how to use paper or cardstock for my shakers instead of foam. So thank you so much, Natalie. I am using that technique. And so there it is, you guys. That is bag topper number 2 and the final bag topper. And I'm going to add it to this bag right here from Dollar Tree. And I have to open it. So I just open it and then add the back topper, add a clothespin, and ta-da, all done, you guys. I'm going to show you a close-up of my other project that I made. I made a shaker mix kit, and it's in a box, and it's an SVG file, and I included also the cupcake and cake dies from In Love Art Shop, and I'm showing you right here what I used. And here, I'm going to pull it up very soon. I love it so much, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you the bags first. So I do add a miniature bow to these 2 bag toppers, which I do not show. If you'd like to see that, go to my Instagram and it'll be there. There's the other one. I love the layered look. I love the dimension. Everything came out super adorable in my eyes. So if you want to try it, go ahead and do that, you guys. I'd greatly appreciate it. Use that 20% off coupon. I don't get commission off this, so I just want you guys to save. And here's the box. I'm so happy with the box. I used the cake as a tag and the other 2 cakes and cupcakes as a background along with some glittered cardstock. So this is a little shaker mix in a box that I made. And super happy with it. I love it so much. It just looks so adorable. Well, that concludes the video, you guys. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.